Good morning, brothers and sisters. I mean, when I'm picking DKKCTV, I don't come again. We'll go talk some of the things when they make a road accident, they frequent for Nigeria road. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are watching me from. This program, now you move, you're using letting ourselves within the cause problem or the cause road accident for our country, Nigeria. Yes, many things they cause road accident. For me, I don't use motor for I don't drive motor for a very long time, more than 25 to 26 years. They pray that God, they know that God will save everybody. But I drive for Nigeria before I come Europe, can't drive. So when I reach Europe, I can't do driverless. I can't go school of driving. Meanwhile, they drive trailer for Nigeria or I reach Europe, other things it can be another thing. But God will have it. I still get the driving license, but I can't know some kind of mistake one day. But waiting, I can't just talk this time now. Waiting, they mostly they call accident for Nigeria. Many things they cause accident for Nigeria road. When we see our government, now they try to look onto one, the road not get limitation. They not get signs. What they call signs, road signs. Where motor fit drive, get where motor fit drive 50 km. You get where motor fit drive 20 km. You get where motor fit drive 30 km. You get where get limitation where motor fit run reach. Where we say if you pass the camera when you dey road, it go hold you. So those one are when camera hold you, government go use that one chop money for your head. Use that give you warning say this you not supposed to do. And you go carry your number. Another day you stop right, you there how they'll send letter, come give you for house, say you drive excessively where you supposed drive minimum. Maybe the same you drive 100 or 120, you go to drive 160, 140. So that one I see another side say road signs not there. Other one now vehicle inspecting. They don't inspect vehicles, motors. They don't inspect them. Why you carry motor since 5 years, since 6 years, you dey drive motor we don't even reach 100 years. They don't know as the motor be. Then the motor just the driver, the driver, you don't see motor wey dey 5 years, you know they follow how they compete. Or motor wey dey young, wey be say never 7 years, they follow how they compete, say and the same road na they use. No, the life not be so. You understand? So motor wey don't old, it's supposed to go check up. They will check the motor. Once they check the motor, they will not say either the motor fit enter road or not fit enter road. You understand? So all these things they cause problem to our road accident to road accident. You understand? For here, motor they will see say every depends on the motor. If you buy motor for 1 year, maybe say motor na 2021, at least that motor supposed to take 4 years before they go put another sticker say you go what they call inspecting. They will inspect whether the motor still they fit to enter road. But Nigeria they know the inspector, the driver like that motor wey don't die. It would the driving license. Boys when they drive motor, they know they get driving license. They're supposed to still check people when they drink. You don't need to drink and drive. And trailers, big lorries, if they get kilometer, if they get distance where they run before they park and sleep for the day. So all these things they lead to many things. Motor when we say tire not good, they will use now the load overload the speed they go. All this kind of problem to Nigeria when they call accident when we say people they die every day. This is not supposed to happen. Now lack of government when we get when we say this is not all these things government they control this thing, they use government revenue money they come to government treasury. If they take this thing away, because people when we say a motor not go, you supposed to pay money before they repair them. Then government will give us sticker where they put for the glass anywhere they send. They don't say this motor don't pass, this motor don't fit to the road. And so they do it for everywhere. But Nigeria, me at the tire. I don't know why it be like this. My dear brother, I don't know. I don't know, brother. I dey call. I'm going to one. Yeah.